In this video, we are going to show you how to align objects in CorelDRAW. This is the Pro Placement option or technique. So once you log in, this is going to be your CorelDRAW on your desktop or even on your app. It's pretty much the same thing, right? So choose whatever document you want, click more. You're going to have this pop up. There's going to be more settings that you can choose and just choose which one you want and then click OK. It's going to bring you to this page right here, right? So you need certain elements or objects to be already in your document that you're working with. And if you want them aligned automatically, all you need to do is click one with your left mouse button, like so, to highlight it. The other object, you need to press shift and then click. And as you can see here, they're now highlighted together, right? If I hover my mouse here on the X in the middle, I can now move them together. So they're perfectly aligned with each other. That is pretty much how you do it and align objects in your CorelDRAW document. Pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.